So, ang aming inaprobahan ay exclusive lamang po ito for medical use, medical cannabis. Wala hong provision sa batas na ito na ina-allow yung recreational use. As far as this proposed law is concerned, possession, cultivation, importation, and pushing and selling is still in violation of the existing law, yung Republic Act 9165. Medical cannabis in pharmaceutical form ang inaalaw po natin dito. So this will treat debilitating diseases as identified by the physicians, and there's a proposal also to include yung non-debilitating. Ang example na binigay nila ay yung anxiety, no, or severe insomnia, which also is considered a non-debilitating illness which can be cured by medical cannabis. So, yun lamang po yung batas na inaprubahan natin kanina. It is not delisting marijuana or medical cannabis doon po marijuana doon sa enumeration sa Republic Act 9165 na prohibited dangerous drugs considered pa rin yung marijuana.